guys, this video is about super cool business ideas that I think have come up since the lockdown. Now, and I think that if you're in your 20s and you're considering a business idea or maybe a startup, this is something that you should consider because I really think that these are things of the future. The first thing is that I think that education technology is the future. We've seen it since the lockdown has happened. Everything is online. Yes, people complain about online in comparison to offline, but I think that that's going to go away because people have actually realized now that they have access to the best tutors and whatever types of tutors they want, regardless of where they're sitting. So it's just a mental shift, and I do think that shift is happening slowly but surely. So if it's a space that you can get into, you definitely should. It's the second one, and I've realized this since I've started making these finance videos, is that personal finance is a huge sector, and it's of course tapped. Lots of people are in this sector, but people really need a lot of knowledge. So many people don't have it. So if it's a space that you're good at, if you're good at papers like FM or AFM, definitely something that you should consider getting into. The third thing, food. And this is for India especially. Because of things like Swiggy and Zomato and all of these things, you make from your own kitchen and you can get it delivered. Why not? If you're at this age and you're a good cook, then make some side money, get some pocket money for yourself, see how it ends up. There are these things called cloud kitchens. I don't really know what exactly they are, but basically there's no in-room dining. You just have to order and it gets delivered to you. The fourth thing, content, right? There's so much online. People are looking for content in every aspect, content creation or content curation even, just getting content together, the best content together is a huge industry. We've seen that since the lockdown has started. It doesn't have to be YouTube, it can be anywhere, this being crypto. That I think you should consider if you are business minded and if you are considering starting your own business. I think that these are fields that are going to thrive in the future.